A penny for your thoughts. Asking someone to share what they are thinking. Example 1. You've been quiet for a while. A penny for your thoughts? Example 2. She seemed lost in thought, so I said, a penny for your thoughts? Actions speak louder than words. What people do is more important than what they say. Example 1. He always promises to help, but actions speak louder than words. Example 2. She showed her love by supporting him in tough times. Actions speak louder than words. Cold feet, to feel nervous before an important event. Example 1. He got cold feet before his wedding and started doubting his decision. Example 2. She was excited about her new job, but got cold feet on the first day. In the same boat, facing the same problem or challenge as someone else. Example 1. We're both struggling with deadlines, so we're in the same boat. Example 2. Everyone in the class failed the test, so we're all in the same boat. Kill two birds with one stone to accomplish two things with one action. Example 1. I killed two birds with one stone by exercising while listening to an audiobook. Example 2. Taking an online course during my commute helps me kill two birds with one stone. Let sleeping dogs lie, to avoid bringing up an issue that could cause trouble. Example 1. I wanted to ask about his past, but I decided to let sleeping dogs lie. Example 2. Let's not discuss the old argument again. It's better to let sleeping dogs lie. Out of the blue, suddenly and unexpectedly. Example 1. He called me out of the blue after 5 years of no contact. Example 2. The storm appeared out of the blue and ruined our picnic. The last straw, the final problem that makes the situation unbearable. Example 1. His rude comment was the last straw, and she quit her job. Example 2. I've been patient, but this delay is the last straw. Throw someone under the bus, to betray or blame someone to protect yourself. Example 1. He threw his teammate under the bus to avoid getting in trouble. Example 2. She trusted her colleague, but he threw her under the bus during the meeting. Burn the candle at both ends, to overwork oneself, staying up late and waking up early. Example 1. He's been burning the candle at both ends to finish his project. Example 2. If you keep burning the candle at both ends, you'll burn out soon.